Megan, you want to just give us your thoughts about the youth panel?
Certainly. I think one area in which the youth panel commented is on areas of resonance, areas where they agreed with the things that they had heard. And we heard about resonance with the idea of the importance of the school climate as a contributing factor to whether or not bullying takes place. We heard resonance around the idea that clarity of definition is really important. We need to understand what we're talking about, whether it's bullying, whether it's harassment, online, offline. When we also heard about the importance of the need of that one friend or supporter, and that it may be a peer and it may be a teacher. I think we also heard some really insightful comments from our youth about some ways to think about using the really amazing bio data. How could we use those slides about the brain and show those to parents or teachers and use those as an intervention platform? And also using the data about social hierarchy, teaching peers about what might be behind their behaviors as a way to perhaps have them reflect on them and not want to do those behaviors anymore. We did hear a lot of emphasis on the role of parents and the role of teachers themselves, and that was a voice that might have been missing from our conversations the last couple days, and a good one to keep in mind. And I think some of the really salient themes that came through that we heard our youth emphasize is the importance of thinking about respect and respect in how we give messages. Rebecca brought up that she uses the stopbullying.gov site in part because it gives a very respectful tone and message to victims so that they don't feel even further victimized. I think the importance on self-esteem and self-worth came through a lot of the discussions that you all brought up, and then the emphasis on diversity as both a prevention as well as a prevention and an intervention in the context of bullying.